Hello everyone, welcome to another video of the playlist SketchUp Coding for Beginners. So today's objective will be to soften the edges. So let's get started. As usual, this is the SketchUp model screen and this is Ruby Code Editor screen. First I will explain what softening the edges means and then we will go to code. So to explain it, I will draw a rectangle, then push it to certain height and then select edge, then right click on this and then soften. As you can see, the edge actually does not disappear, but the black highlight is gone. So you can see the black highlight in all the edges, but after softening this edge, the black highlight is gone. So this is what we call as softening the edges. So let's do this in coding. First we will get the selected edge. To do so, we name it as selected edges equals to. So for selection we are going to use this sort form SEL dot grep command, as we have already discussed. So SketchUp is. Now if you go to the model, select all and then go to Ruby Code Editor, press Ctrl R, you can see it grabs all the edges, whatever is selected. Now we only need to get one edge, so let's say selected edge equals selected edges with an index of 0. That means it grabs only one edge which is selected at first. So let's see if we select this one. Go to Ruby Code Editor, press Ctrl R, you can see the output as one edge is given. If we select this edge is touching the two faces. So first we need to get these two faces. To do so, I will assign it as faces. So selected edge dot faces. So what does this command does is that it grabs the faces that is connected to this edge. If we press Ctrl R button, you can see the two faces are given in the output. Now to grab the angle between these two faces, we need to find the normal of these two faces. So let's name it as norm1. So the first face dot normal. So dot normal gives the perpendicular unit vector to that face. We also need to find the second normal, which is the normal vector of the second face. So second face is given in the index 1. Now to find the angle between these two vectors or these two normals, we are going to use the command called angle between, and inside the bracket we use norm2. Let's press Ctrl R button. You can see the angle between these two normals is 1.57. It is given in radians. So if we put here this in radian, then if we press Ctrl R, it will give the angle between these two faces is 90 degrees as we have assumed. Now to soften this edge, we can now use the command selected edge dot soft equals true if the angle between the normals is smaller than let's say 100 degrees. So the angle between these two faces is 90 degree. So if the angle is less than 100 degree, then it will soften the edge. Let's press Ctrl R button. As you can see, this selected edge is softened, so the black highlight is gone. Now if we assign the angle to be smaller than 80 degrees and let's select this edge and go to Ruby Code Editor, press Ctrl R button. As you can see, it says nil result. So what happens is that the angle between these two faces is 90 degree, which does not agree on this condition that angle should be smaller than 80 degrees. So the selected face won't be softened. So we can play with these angles to soften the edges. So in summary, first you need to grab a edge, then find the connected faces, find the angle between the normals, and then soften the edge if the angle between the two faces is smaller than a certain arbitrary angle. So that's all for today. Keep learning and thanks for watching.